How to fix Project Sekai login error. Let's get started. Today we are diving into how to fix the frustrating login errors in Project Sekai. If you have been struggling to get into the game, this video is for you. First things first, always check the server status. Sometimes the issue isn't within your device at all. Project Sekai might be undergoing maintenance or experiencing server issues. Keep an eye on their official Twitter or other social media for any updates. Next, make sure your game is up to date. Developers frequently releases updates to fix bugs and enhance performance. An outdated game can lead to login problems, so head over to your app store and check if there is a new version available. If updating doesn't help, try clearing your game's cache. This can resolve issues that come from old data interfering with your game. Go to your device settings, find Project Sekai and clear the cache. Likewise, a stable internet connection is crucial for online games like Project Sekai. If you're having trouble logging in, it might be your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps, or reset your router. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a multitude of tech problems. Give your device a quick reboot and see if that helps you log in back into the game. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Project Sekai. Just make sure to back up your data first. Reinstalling can give you a fresh start and potentially fix your login issues. Still stuck? It might be time to contact support. Make sure to provide them with all necessary details about your issue, including your device type, operating system, and any error messages, and what steps you have already tried. Thanks for watching. I hope one of these solutions get back you into the game. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.